In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove back to parent in Prezi so your presentation moves in a smoother, more modern flow. If you've ever noticed Prezi pulling you backward between steps or jumping in a way that feels a little clunky, this quick change can make a huge difference. It's a simple setting, but it can completely improve the way your presentation feels when you click through it. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open your presentation inside the Prezi editor window. Make sure you're actually editing the presentation, not just viewing it, because the path settings we need are only available inside the editor. Once your presentation is open, look to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a 3 horizontal lines icon there. This is the menu button, and it's where Prezi keeps a lot of the presentation structure options. Go ahead and click that 3-line icon to open the drop-down menu. From the list of options, look for topic path settings or path settings. Depending on the version of Prezi you're using, the wording may be slightly different, but it should lead you to the same place. Click it to open the path structure controls. Now you'll see the structure setting choices for your presentation. This is the part that controls how Prezi moves from one section to the next. To remove the back to parent style movement, select zoom directly to the next topic and zoom directly to the next subtopic. This tells Prezi to continue forward in a more direct way instead of pulling back to parent nodes between each step. This setting is especially useful if you want your presentation to feel more continuous, more polished, and easier for your audience to follow. It helps create a cleaner visual flow and avoids those extra jumps that can interrupt the rhythm of your presentation. If you're building a lesson, sales deck, or any presentation where smooth transitions matter, this is definitely the setting you want to use. After you've selected the right structure options, look for the blue Save button. Click Save to confirm the change. This is important because if you don't save, the new path settings won't apply to your presentation. Once the save is complete, Prezi will update the structure automatically. Now, your presentation will move in a fluid, continuous line from one structural node directly into the next without pulling backwards between steps. That means when you click through your content, the movement will feel cleaner and more natural. It's a small change, but it can make your whole presentation look more professional. If you're working with a longer Prezi presentation, I'd recommend checking the path after saving just to make sure the flow looks exactly the way you want. Sometimes a quick review helps you catch anything that needs adjusting before you present live. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.